Okay, so I'm gonna try to cut this quicker because I've done this take like 4 times. So if you want to check out the exhaust clips, they're at the end of the video. I will, you can just skip around. You should see where the first car startup is. But yeah, this is actually a couple days after we installed the Invidia N1 exhaust on my 2012 Civic Si. I'm really happy with the exhaust. I think it's a little loud for some people. For me, it's perfect. There is some interior drone, but it's not terrible. So just keep that in mind. It does come with a silencer though, so I mean, if you just absolutely think it's way too loud, you can always put the silencer on it. I don't believe in that, so I just tossed that as soon as I got it. But yeah, so I actually filmed us putting the exhaust on and a couple things that we ran into, which for the exhaust, we didn't run into anything. It's literally 3 bolts that connected to the catalytic converter and then 2 bolts that connected to the rear of the car, right where the wheel is. You take those off, then you take the hangers off and it slides right out. It was super easy. Couldn't have been any easier. We had the exhaust done in 30 minutes. Just jack up the passenger side of the car, use 2 jack stands, and then put your jack in the middle for safety, and just take them off. It's pretty simple. And then just bolt everything up with a new one. Make sure your gaskets are in place. Make sure everything's tight. Start it up. Make sure there's no exhaust leaks. Sorry, I'm squinting. The sun is facing that way, so I'm trying to get it right here so you guys don't see it. So yeah, I'm gonna post the clips at the end. It sounds great in my opinion. And then we did do drilled and slotted rotors as well. Not for any particular reason other than I wanted a little bit more cooling power on my brakes, because I do plan on taking this car to mountain runs. It will be at Classic Hondas on the Dragon, so if you guys are going to be there, I will be there. Hope to see some of you there. And then also we may be going to Slammed Enough in October, at the first week in October, and then Classic Hondas on the Dragon is the second week in October. So busy month in October. I've also got a vacation planned with my wife at the end of October, so yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun for me. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the drilled and slotted rotors real quick. Let's see here. So there is the rear, and here is the front. I don't know if you guys can see that. But yeah, those were kind of a little bit of a pain to install, just because of the rotors, the little screws that hold the rotors in once you get the caliper off and everything. Those were kind of stuck on there, but managed to get those off. Once we got those off, it's pretty simple. Only other thing is you do need a special tool to collapse the caliper on the rear brakes. It's a small tool you can rent from AutoZone. It looks like a little, it's a brake caliper tool is what it's called. But yeah, other than that, guys, just stay tuned. The next 2 things that we'll be doing is the Kevman's carbon fiber hood and rear spoiler will be in this Friday, or excuse me, next Friday. As soon as they get in, I will put those on. If you want to, I'll show a video of me installing that stuff. You just have to let me know. The hood shouldn't be anything other than just unbolting what's already on there and bolting the new one up. So yeah, just stay tuned. A lot more to come with the car. We had a lot of fun with it. The exhaust sounds great. Clips are right here.
All right,